Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Naveed, and in this lecture I will teach you how to import and how to export in MS Access. In order to import or export, I will click on external data menu, and as I click you can see that I have import and links, and reference I have export. What is mean the import? Definitely to bring something from outside. For example, let's suppose you work in MS Excel and now you want to bring that work or data of from the Excel to MS Access. So definitely you will import. And for example, you work in MS Access and now you want to export the data to MS Excel. So definitely you will take the help of export. So first what we'll do, as you can see that in this table I have ID and names. So in order to export, I will click on Excel, and then I will type, for example, I will type the name, and it's asking me where do you want to save it. So for example, or where do you want to export it. I said I want to export it on desktop and with the name of for example, MS Access and export, and click on save and then OK, and then click on save export steps and then save export. I have successfully exported. In order to show you what I do, I will show you the desktop, and as you can see that on the desktop I have a file or a document, or you can say a sheet of MS Excel from the MS Access. So what I do, I will click on, as you can see the name is here, MS Access export. Double click on it, and as you can see that whatever is in this table of MS Access same is in MS Excel. So in this way you can export, means the data which you have in MS Access you can export the data to MS Excel. Now we have learned how to export. Now we will learn how to import. So what I do, I will go in the same for example sheet, or you can also take a new sheet. I'm taking new sheet and I'm giving here names or any, for example, and here I'm typing Naveed, and the second Kamran, and the third Hussein, and I will save it on the desktop with the name of Excel import. You can give any name you like. Click on save. You have successfully saved your MS Excel sheet, and as you can see it is on desktop. Now how to import it on MS Access? See, what I do, I will click and open my MS Access, and again I will go in the menu of MS Access with the name is external data, and click on Excel import or Excel, and asking me where's the sheet of MS Excel. So I browse it, and I will desktop, and with the name I've given Excel import, or and OK, and definitely click on next, and give the name to your table. I say import from Excel part 2, and then click on finish, and just click on save import steps, and as you can see that with the part 2, because if I click on import from Excel the part 2, if I double click on it, as you can see that in the field I have name Naveed, Kamran and Hussein, and the same thing you will find in here. For example, name Naveed, Kamran and Hussein. So in this way you can import and export from Excel. You can export, for example, if you want to export something from Access to Excel, and if you want to import from Excel to Access. So this was the lecture about how to import and how to export. So I hope you enjoyed and learned. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and I will see you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.